are here in engagement with the community to tell them our motive, why we are here, and what is still, it took us so long to have come to this community, and more so to make them know what we are to do, and that the house, that the project is going to be affected, and likewise to inquire from them what are more of their needs, and wish it was a smooth engagement with the community. More so, we have flagged off the project to the glory of Almighty God and the beneficent of the people of Ikosi-Isheri LCDA. And we started with the name of God, and we hope, to run the project and finish the project with the name of Almighty God. And we told them that they have not seen anything, that they will see more of the dividend of democracy.
Anybody telling us? And we thank God for that. And then our chairman did the marvelous things. Maybe they felt that it has been a very long time to me. Let me see what I can do. Apart from the road we were asking for, they are now putting extra one for us to compensate our patients. We are here to open, let's say, a curtain of good things to come to Olowoira. And I believe by God's grace, more will come, not only this one. So, our chairman, let me say like this. Yorùbá sọ pé kí wọ́n ní báwo lè lè yí àwọn èèyàn náà ní pé ẹ̀tọ́ bá kòwé mọ́ tó bá lóhùn ògbà lóhùn ṣèkínní kan ẹ̀rù ìjà ló ń bà. And on our own side, àlàáfẹ́jà, but at the same thing, ọmọ Oòduà ni wá. Tí kan bá yẹ ẹnu ojú, you know what to say. Nígbà tí our chairman sọ kíní kan lẹ́fọ̀n, we don't need to fight government. It's a food that will fight government.
A ti ṣe ọ̀nà wa, but ọwá need àwọn ibìkan tí ẹ pé wọ́n need passion. So àwa náà mind tá bá fẹ́ lo opportunity yìí náà, wọ́n kà á ti ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ ní ìfún bá wa fi passion inú wa dùn. So on behalf of Olowoira Estate, mo fi ń sọ̀rọ̀.
Àwọn awuyewuye kan ti ń jà nílẹ̀, inú mi dẹ̀ dùn pé alága náà ti mẹ́nu bà díẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin àgbàlagbà lẹ máa ń sọ pé nǹkan ẹni ò kí ń di méjì, kí ló bí ni. Ẹ foríjì mi sà mà, ẹ dẹ̀ nítorí bá pẹ́ ńlẹ̀ yóò dire. Ayé táwa ayé orí yẹn ti pẹ́ ńlẹ̀ gan. Gbàtọ́lọ̀ máa ní kó dire, ó wá bíbí ìjìnlẹ̀ kan náà. Kí ni mò ń pàṣàmọ̀mọ́ náà lọ́rọ̀ school tí wọ́n ti mention lẹ́ẹ̀kan? Wípé báwo ni ìkan ò ṣe ní dìkan lọ́wọ́, torí kò sí yìí tí a lè sọ bá àfẹ́ nínú méjèèjì. Àsìkò tó lọ ń gbàdúrà pé kí méjì ó bọ́ sí, ó jẹ́ àsìkò tí inú wa dùn púpọ̀. Mo dúpẹ́ pé mi náà jẹ́ kan náà àwọn comwap tá a ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìdààmú lórí bí ó ṣe wáyé.
Today is one of the happiest days of community people, because the project that is on the ground has been, we have been agitating for it for so long, and then come now to have for the chairman to come out to now flag off the road for construction is a very good thing for us. We are happy, and it's a welcome project, which we are going to protect all along till when they finish the project.